Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be upgrading the headlight on this 2016 Honda CRV from the regular halogen bulb to this very nice set of LED lights. So let's get started with this installation. Let's first take a look at the LED headlight that I'll be installing. This one is made by the company LED and it's the Y8 series. User manual. Here's the LED lights. Here's a look at one of the LED headlight. There are two sides to this. In total there are 8 super bright Philips ZES LED chip. Each headlight puts out 4000 lumen and the color temperature is 6500 Kelvin, which is a pure white color. Looking at the bottom, there's a large heat sink to help dissipate heats. At the bottom, there's a 10,000 RPM fan. On the side here, this wire goes to this H11 socket. This light will operate between 9 volt to 32 volt DC. Here I'll connect my power supply to one of the lights. It's very bright. The color is pure white. Here's a look at the original halogen headlight. Let me show you how to replace a low beam light on the CRV. It's very simple. Let's start with the driver's side. If you look at the back, right here is a headlight bulb. Go ahead and disconnect the connector. Push down the tab. Turn the bulb counterclockwise. And it'll come out. Here's a side-by-side look of the LED light and the halogen bulb. You can see the placement of the LED chip is the same distance as a filament on the halogen bulb. This will minimize glare to oncoming traffic. Now install the new LED lights. Connect the wiring harness. Here's a side-by-side comparison look with LED on the driver's side and the halogen bulb on the passenger side. Here's a look at the passenger side. There's a lot more space here to work with. There's the headlight. Install the new LED lights. Connect the wiring harness. Here's a look at the headlight with LED bulb installed on both sides. Let's take a look at these lights at night. As you can see in this test drive, it has a nice even light output. Overall, these LED lights perform very well. I found the light output to be very good. As you saw in the video, these LED lights are brighter than the halogen lights and has a pure white color. Now normally installing LED lights in reflector headlight housing can result in very poor beam pattern and also cause glare. But after testing these lights from LED, it put out a very nice beam pattern with no noticeable glare. Now if you want to pick up a set of these lights, I'll include the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.